Hi, hope you're all doing good. So this is pertaining to our updates group. We have Google as well as WhatsApp updates group. So in order to provide you updates regarding new videos in e-classes or new tests in test series or new study club discussions, including live sessions in YouTube, we have created these updates group. So you can join them for free. All you need to do is just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. We'll provide you with the group links, right? So along with these updates, also we'll be providing you updates pertaining to NEET exam, AIMS exam, or any other relevant information pertaining to your entrance, right? So I'm sure you'll join these groups and make most use of them because these groups are created exclusively for your benefit, right? So just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Wish you all the best. Love you all.